Poison hemlock, Conium maculatum, is a highly toxic biennial plant that belongs to the Apiaceae family, which includes carrots, parsnips, and parsley. Native to Europe and North Africa, poison hemlock has naturalized in many parts of the world, including North America. It is notorious for its potent toxicity and historical association with the execution of the philosopher Socrates. Identification and description. Poison hemlock is a tall, erect herbaceous plant that can grow up to 2 to 3 meters, 6 to 10 feet, in height. It has a distinctive appearance characterized by its hollow, ribbed stems that are typically spotted or streaked with purple or reddish markings, especially at the base. The leaves are finely divided, resembling those of parsley or carrot, with a lacy or fern-like appearance. They are bright green and can be up to 50 centimeters, 20 inches, long. The plant produces small, white, 5-petaled flowers that are arranged in umbrella-shaped clusters known as umbels, which can be up to 15 centimeters, 6 inches, across. These flowers bloom from late spring to early summer. Habitat and distribution. Poison hemlock thrives in a variety of environments but is commonly found in moist, nutrient-rich soils. It frequently inhabits areas such as roadsides, ditches, stream banks, meadows, and the edges of cultivated fields. It can also colonize disturbed areas, making it an invasive species in some regions. Its rapid growth and prolific seed production enable it to spread quickly and establish dense stands, often outcompeting native vegetation. Toxicity and effects. All parts of the poison hemlock plant are toxic, with the seeds and roots containing the highest concentrations of alkaloids. The primary toxic compounds are coniine and gamma-conocaine, which affect the central nervous system. Ingestion of even small amounts can cause severe poisoning in humans and animals. Symptoms of poison hemlock ingestion include initial effects: nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and salivation. Neurological symptoms: tremors, confusion, dizziness, and incoordination. Respiratory issues: difficulty breathing due to paralysis of the respiratory muscles. Cardiovascular symptoms: decreased heart rate and blood pressure. Muscular paralysis: progressive paralysis leading to respiratory failure. Death can occur within hours of ingestion due to respiratory paralysis. There is no specific antidote for poison hemlock poisoning, and treatment primarily involves supportive care, such as respiratory support and measures to prevent further absorption of the toxin. Historical significance. Poison hemlock is historically significant as it was used in ancient Greece as a method of execution. The most famous victim was the philosopher Socrates, who was condemned to death by drinking a concoction containing poison hemlock. His execution is well documented in classical literature, particularly in Plato's dialogues, where Socrates' final moments and the effects of the poison are described in detail. Control and management. Due to its toxicity and invasive nature, poison hemlock requires careful management. Effective control methods include mechanical removal: uprooting or cutting the plants before they set seed can help reduce their spread. However, protective clothing should be worn to avoid skin contact with the plant's toxic sap. Chemical control: herbicides can be used to control large infestations, though repeated applications may be necessary. Biological control: research into biological control methods, such as the use of natural predators or pathogens, is ongoing but not yet widely implemented. Precautions. When dealing with poison hemlock, it is essential to take precautions to avoid accidental poisoning. Identification: learn to recognize the plant and distinguish it from similar-looking species, such as wild carrot, Queen Anne's lace, and other members of the Apiaceae family. Protective gear: wear gloves, long sleeves, and eye protection when handling the plant. Avoid consumption: do not ingest any part of the plant, and educate others about its toxicity. Proper disposal: dispose of removed plants carefully, ensuring they are not accessible to livestock or humans. In summary, Poison hemlock is a dangerous and invasive plant that poses significant risks to human and animal health. Its historical notoriety, combined with its potent toxicity and ability to spread rapidly, makes it a plant of concern in many regions. Proper identification, control measures, and precautions are essential to manage its impact and prevent accidental poisonings. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.